If you need to send a Calendly invite quickly, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to copy your Calendly booking link, paste it into an email, and send it to the right person in just a few minutes. This is a simple method, but it's incredibly useful for meetings, interviews, sales calls, client consultations, and any situation where you want someone to pick a time that works best for them. If this video helps you, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly stores the events you've created, along with the booking links you can share with other people. In scheduling, find the event type you want to send. For example, this could be a 15-minute intro call, a demo, a team meeting, or any custom event you already set up. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct event, because this is the link your invitee will use to book time with you. After you've found the right event, select Copy Link. Calendly will copy the booking page link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. Now open your email app. You can use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, or whichever email service you prefer. Create a new email addressed to the person you want to invite. In the subject line, keep it clear and simple, something like schedule a time or my Calendly link. In the body of the email, paste your Calendly booking link. This is the most important part because it gives the recipient direct access to your available time slots. You can also add a short friendly message above the link. For example, you could say that you'd love to connect and that they can choose a time that works best for them. A personal note can make the invite feel much more natural and professional. Once your message looks good, double check that the link pasted correctly and that it points to the right Calendly event. Then click send. That's it. Your Calendly invite is now on its way and the person you sent it to can open the link, pick a time, and book directly on your calendar. If you want to make this process even smoother, try keeping a few different Calendly event links ready for different situations. For example, one for quick calls, one for longer meetings, and one for client onboarding. That way, you can send the right invite faster without having to edit anything each time. Also, if you're using Calendly for business, make sure your event title and message are clear, professional, and easy to understand. That helps people know exactly what they're booking and improves the chances that they'll actually schedule with you. And if this tutorial helped you send your Calendly invite, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.